The U.S. diagnostics industry is navigating a seismic regulatory shift this week. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration's final rule to regulate laboratory-developed tests, or LDTs, as medical devices is now a reality. This ends a decades-long policy of enforcement discretion. For thousands of clinical labs, the operational landscape has fundamentally changed. Previously, these in-house tests were primarily regulated under the Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendments, or CLIA. Now they fall under the FDA's stringent medical device framework. This means new, mandatory requirements for pre-market review, quality system compliance, post-market surveillance, and adverse event reporting. The impact is immediate and profound, especially for smaller institutions. Consider the case of a university medical center's molecular pathology lab. For years, they have offered a specialized next-generation sequencing panel for rare pediatric neurological disorders. This LDT, while low volume, provides critical diagnostic information for a vulnerable patient population. Under the old CLIA system, the lab validated the test's analytical performance and could offer it to their clinicians. Under the new rule, this same test may require a full pre-market approval or 510(k) submission. This involves extensive documentation, clinical evidence generation, and regulatory fees that can run into millions of dollars. The lab now faces a stark choice: invest heavily in a regulatory submission for a low-revenue test, discontinue the service and leave patients without options, or seek a commercial partner. This scenario is repeating itself nationwide. The rule is forcing a strategic reevaluation of all LDT portfolios. Many labs lack the internal regulatory affairs departments or quality system infrastructure common to traditional device manufacturers. They must now quickly learn to navigate design controls, corrective and preventive actions, and the complexities of FDA submissions. This regulatory evolution is not just a compliance challenge. It is a market-shaping event that will likely trigger consolidation and fundamentally alter the path of diagnostic innovation. For organizations navigating this new terrain, a clear and proactive regulatory strategy is no longer optional, but essential for survival. If your organization is facing these new regulatory hurdles, you can get in touch for strategic guidance. Contact Pure Global at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at https:/pureglobal.com.